super nice. We're just gonna go fishing. There's really not much to this intro because we're just going fishing. We're bored. I'm bored. I've been doing my thing inside. I don't know, painting, reading. I'm at risk. So yeah, we're just gonna go fishing. We're gonna go fishing. I don't know why I'm anxious about it. Like, subscribe. Come on. You ready? Oh boy. I think they should go outside first. Should I wear my black shoes, my white ones, or my Crocs? My Crocs. I'm not gonna match it all today, but that's fine. We are set.
Kinda.
Look at. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Look at that.
Wow.
Heck yeah.
Let me say it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do your thing.
We hooked Kaylee up with some new wheels and tires the other day, and spacers. We're gonna talk about that in a second. We got 22x14 XD wheels. Don't pay attention to the color because that's gonna be changing real soon. We're gonna paint all this black. Gonna give her some pink billet center caps and some pink lug nuts to match. And then for tires, we got 38x15.5. These are some big chunky boys.
Chunky boys.
Chunky boys. So chunky that she rubs a little bit, but that is not because of the wheels and tires. It's because of those 3-inch spacers back there that makes her whole wheel and tires stick out because we're about the stance life here. And rest in pepperonis your mirrors because it looks like rocks have been hitting them. But it's fine. If you're not rubbing, you're a dork.
As discovered, he's like, you're like 100% ready to talk for me every time. Gabe, all right, here we go. Let him do his thing.
I mean, you could talk. Okay, so I have amp research steps. Makes getting into this, 9-foot tall truck pretty easy. But I figured out if we unplug it, give it about 5 seconds. So I'm gonna talk to you about your day. Now they disappeared. All right, so you may think, how do you get inside? Well, yes, it is very hard. It's actually, you can't jump up like a normal human being. You gotta put your foot on the tire. You gotta grab this and then go yay, just like that. And now I don't need steps, so I think we're gonna take these off and put them on your truck. Except for the fact that we have tried getting into the passenger side and it has absolutely sucked, so no. No, I mean, like, I don't really have friends. Like, who really needs to go back here? I also have to get into your truck. And the knee that I typically have to use to get into your truck is my bad knee. And not gonna do it, hold on. Ta-da! Now we're
wow.
We'll keep it. I'll just buy you stuff. It's okay.
Hey, Amp Research, sponsor me?
I haven't asked them. I'm gonna DM them real quick.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
We're waiting for Savannah.
Come on.
Got into Savannah's house to assert dominance. I have glasses on now, so I look like a dad.
Yes, sir. I don't have mine. I don't know where my Ray-Bans went.
Probably my truck.
No, I checked.
Okay, so Gabe is grabbing the poles from his house. I'm pretty sure that my pole from when we first started dating, I have a pole from my grandpa Phil, who I just saw a ghost. Anyway, he loved fishing. It was like all he did. So I have a pole from him, but I don't know. It's somewhere in that garage. Hopefully I end up using that, but I don't mind using something else. We're also he's in the back. We are also
We want to go to get the stuff Walmart?
Yeah, are we getting worms?
Yeah, we're getting or just fake ones. Do I have a cut knife?
Your big knife was in your... Can I pick up the knife? Sure. Knife shopping! This is my grandpa's pole. Yeah. Here's our little spot. Hello, ducky. Can I pet that duck? Can I pet that duck? I'm taking my bobber off, and I'm using a fluke.
You gotta use a knife.
Oh yeah. Okay. Here's my knife. Gabe says I will not be demonetized, but I'm not monetized anyways, so why does it matter?
Because when you get monetized, then you can monetize the video.
Okay. Gabe's tying the hook for me because I got shaky hands. Okay, I'm gonna move a little bit closer to them because I wasn't getting much over there. Yeah, we haven't been here that long though, so who cares?
That one.
Gabe got a little baby.
Eat the little baby fish.
I'm gonna come closer.
I don't know how he thought he was gonna eat it. Come out. You're the size of the bait. What are you doing?
He's hungry.
See you later, Billy.
Billy. Bye. Gabe's attempting to catch a bullfrog.
He went away, but he'll be back.
So Gabe caught the frog. Oh God. I'm so scared of over here. Perfect place for snakes to be. Ah! Oh. Don't these scream?
Yeah. Sometimes.
Hot chonka butt.
The big old bullfrog.
Big old bullfrog.
Big old bullfrog. I'm gonna let him go now. What should we name him?
Freddy.
Freddy the frog.
Freddy frog.
I'm gonna put him back there because I'll give you my bag.
I saw him move.
Where'd he go?
Probably buried himself deeper. He's embarrassed.
I wonder if they
Leave
have
him alone.
holes. Is that a thing? I never seen a frog bury it so far into the ground.
Okay, so we're going to a different spot because I like that spot. Yeah. Why would we get pulled over?
Because we're right next to the mayor. I don't know if the mayor likes that.
Well, content.
Just trying.
It's I was just want to say that. Me too.
Hold on.
We'll have a baby. A baby weeping willow tree. Oh, there we go.
I got that one. Ta-da.
Hold them up that way for a thumbnail.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay. His name is Daniel.
Goodbye, Daniel.
You said go. Beautiful.
Yep.
There's a muskrat. Hello. You go for swim. Warning. No swimming. No skating. I think we may have a problem. You guys are dizzy. Okay, so literally nothing happened after that.
It's gonna rain now.
So we went home because, you wanna lift that up for me? it's gonna rain. It's supposed to be really bad, and it's not even like close yet, and that's what it looks like.
I am not excited. Also,
This is my selfie light.
yes, you're welcome. So
Like and subscribe. Bye.